Good morning. I'm Peter Milios from the Finance News Network. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rallied more than 400 points overnight, and the S&P 500 touched a fresh 13th-month high as investors bet the Federal Reserve was close to done raising rates after the central bank this week skipped a hike. Fed Chair Powell's post-meeting press conference revealed the Federal Open Market Committee will assess the cumulative tightening of monetary policy before the next meeting, leading investors to speculate on the uncertain July policy move. Powell highlighted the possibility of more rate hikes this year and emphasised the Fed's data-driven approach, resulting in stock market fluctuations. The 30-stock Dow added 1.26%, the S&P 500 climbed 1.22%, while the Nasdaq Composite gained 1.15%. Thursday's gains brought the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to their highest intraday levels since April 2022. The S&P 500 is also riding its longest winning streak since November 2021 and is headed for its strongest weekly gain since March. From its October closing low, the broader market index is up 23%. It's also risen 15% year to date. As for the Nasdaq, the tech-heavy benchmark is up more than 31% in 2023. In tech news, shares of Microsoft and Oracle were higher with gains of about 3.2% and 3.5%. Alibaba stock climbed to close to 3.2%. New economic data provided investors and policymakers with improved understanding of the labour market and the consumer spending, as weekly jobless claims exceeded expectations at 262,000, compared to an estimate of 245,000 by Dow Jones, and retail sales showed a modest increase of 0.3%. Goldman Sachs' equity team, led by David Kostin, has noted a significant improvement in the outlook for initial public offerings, while their IPO issuance barometer reaching its highest level since March 2022. Driven by stabilising equity prices and favourable economic factors such as slowing inflation, healthy economic growth and high market concentration, which could potentially lift the equity market higher. The European Central Bank raised interest rates by another quarter point overnight, indicating a high likelihood of a further hike in July, as stated by ECB President Christine Lagarde, while also emphasising the persistence of high inflation in the Eurozone. Although Lagarde did not provide insight into rate expectations beyond next month, markets are increasingly anticipating another rate increase in September, leading to expectations of a heated summer debate among officials regarding signalling future moves. In commodity news, European gas prices have experienced a rapid doubling in just 10 trading days, indicating ongoing concerns about gas supply despite record high storage levels. The European gas benchmark tidal transfer facility reached its highest level since April, rising as much as 27% in Thursday's trading after hitting a two-year low at the beginning of June. Overall, all US sectors closed higher. Healthcare was the best performer, whilst real estate recorded the fewest gains. The SPI futures are pointing to a 0.4% gain. Thank you for listening. Have a great weekend.